Hello team and family, this is number 2 test corrections video number 2 for question 2. On Monday the temperature was 15 degrees Fahrenheit in Alaska. On Tuesday the temperature dropped 9 degrees. On Wednesday the temperature dropped 8 degrees. On Thursday the temperature rose 6 degrees, and on Friday it dropped back down 8 degrees. What was the temperature on Friday? So when we solve this, we start with a temperature of 15 degrees. So I'm going to put on Monday, let me go ahead and draw. So I'm going to put on Monday, it was 15 degrees. On Tuesday, the temperature dropped. When we see the word drop, that means it goes down. So dropping it 9 degrees. On Wednesday, the temperature dropped 8 degrees, so -8. On Thursday, the temperature rose 6 degrees. Rose, or to rise, equals a positive. Dropped is a negative. So when it rises, we'll add it on. So Thursday temperature rose 6 degrees. And on Friday, it dropped back down -8 degrees. What was the temperature on Friday? So I'm taking these numbers, I do 15 plus -9 plus -8 plus 6 plus -8. So I'm basically adding together some positive and negative integers. First thing I can do, I can solve it by going left to right. I can also take all my negatives, so like -9, -8, and -8, and I can add those up first. So 8 plus 8 is 16, and then 16 plus 9 is 25, and I need to remember that that's -25 because I just added 3 negative numbers. And then I'll add the 2 positives, which is 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is 21, and that stays positive. So I really have 21 plus a -25. And when I'm adding two different signs, that's the same thing as subtracting. So really I'm subtracting 25 minus 21. Just took the absolute values of both those numbers. 25 minus 21 is 4. So my answer is 4. But because there's more negatives than positives, my answer is -4. And I can come over here and check the answer choices. It looks like it's B, -4. Another way I could do this, if I struggled with putting it in a expression, I could draw a vertical number line, put 0, and then I could just move the degrees. So up on the top could be +15, and then when I drop down, I would count how many degrees. So like I would count 9 degrees for the first one, go down 9, and then I would land on 6 degrees. So that's -9, and then I would just keep following what the table says until I landed on the final integer. That's another way we can do it if we're struggling with solving the expression, but that's the way that we solve number 2.